In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and WordPress.com and how to set up the right path for your website. A lot of people compare Cloudways and WordPress as if they are the same type of product, but they are not. WordPress is the software you use to build and manage your website. Cloudways is a hosting platform that gives that website a place to run. So the real comparison here is WordPress.com, which is an all-in-one hosted service, versus using the open source WordPress.org software on a Cloudways server. These are two very different approaches, and choosing the right one affects your flexibility, performance, and long-term costs. First, understand the separation clearly. WordPress.com is a closed, managed ecosystem. It handles hosting, updates, and many technical settings for you, but it also limits what you can control, especially on lower tier plans. Cloudways works differently. It sits on top of major cloud providers and gives you a managed environment where you can run WordPress.org with much more freedom and dedicated server resources. Next, look at plugin and theme restrictions. On lower WordPress.com plans, you cannot freely install third-party plugins or custom themes unless you upgrade. That can be a major limitation if you need advanced features. Cloudways does not place those restrictions on your WordPress installation, so you can customize your site much more deeply from day one. Now think about scaling. WordPress.com typically charges per site. So if you manage multiple websites, every project can mean another subscription. Cloudways allows you to deploy multiple WordPress sites on the same server as long as your server has enough resources. That makes it especially useful for agencies, developers, and anyone managing several properties. If Cloudways sounds like the better fit, here is the setup flow. Go to cloudways.com, sign in, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized application. Then select DigitalOcean as the infrastructure provider and choose the premium option for strong performance. Set your server size to at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, select the data center closest to your audience, and launch the server. Provisioning usually takes just a few minutes. If you want the simplest possible route instead, WordPress.com is the easier option. Sign in at WordPress.com, choose a plan, and follow the guided setup. This is ideal for beginners who want built-in updates, backups, and a very low-maintenance experience. If you chose Cloudways, the next step is connecting your domain. Open your application, go to Domain Management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary. Then open the SSL certificate section, enter your email address, and install the certificate so your site is secured with HTTPS. Finally, review everything before going live. Check your server name, confirm your CPU and memory usage, look healthy, and make sure there are no obvious issues in the dashboard. Once that looks good, you are ready to move forward with confidence. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.